Alright y'all, so I'm coming to y'all with the Aukey 30-watt USB-C charger and 18-watt USB charger, which supports quick charge for any other device out there, so like Androids and iPhone. So yeah, let's get into that. Also, I recommend y'all pick up this cable for iPhone users. It is pretty durable. It's braided 4 feet, and it's not that expensive. It comes with a little tie right there, so I can just show y'all that. That way you could just easily put it back together. Doesn't take too much space in your bag, you know what I'm saying? So pick one of them. Also, another thing is, not that many people want to have this type of charger for their outlets right here, so therefore you can't worry about somebody saying, oh, that's my charger. Anyway, so yeah, let's get into it. Set this aside. So, pretty simple device. We got the manual, which I don't know why you need for a charger. Thought this was a sticker at first. I don't know what it is. I guess it's just something. It says, oh, I guess it's a warranty or something. Okay, whatever. And then the device itself. Aukey. Wow. So it's pretty simple. I'm gonna charge it up. Try to charge my phone. My phone is only on like 80%, so it shouldn't really charge too fast. Basically, these chargers, well, this one specifically, so basically this item is 30 amps for the USB-C and 18 for the regular USB. Compared to Apple's lowest USB-C charger, that's 29 amps, it can charge an iPhone from 0 to 50 in 30 minutes supposedly, so if that's true, this should be able to do it a lot better. I would test the video, but my phone is already pretty high, so it wouldn't really do much. I couldn't really do any cases on it. I can tell you one thing is it's pretty put together. It's pretty sturdy. I could feel like I could drop this at least 2 or 3 times and I'd be pretty good. I think this one does not have the LED light right here. I'm not sure. I can't really see it. I gotta plug it in. Let me plug it in. Alright, so as you can see, there is no LED indication. But another thing you want to note is it is pretty hard to get the cord out as soon as you put it in. As you can see right now, I put a lot of force into it. Not too much to get it back in. A little bit of a snap, but that's something you might want to note. So, alright, so as y'all saw, I did not have the LED light right there that some of them come with. So that's it for the unboxing for this video. Hope y'all liked it. Hope you pick one up. Both of these items are in the description below if you want to pick them up. So go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, you know, because I'm gonna do a couple more unboxings on a couple things that's coming out. Y'all want to see, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see y'all on that. That's all I gotta say. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one.